Hello, everybody. I wish you a wonderful good morning and welcome to the Prop Show. Let's go. Welcome. How are you guys doing? Moin an allererstmal. Schön, dass ihr da seid. Welcome to everybody watching. Let's freaking go. Lewis Hamilton monster in my hand? What the heck? What do you mean? Das Glückwunsch zu deinem First Chatter. Moin PTZ. Hi, der Mizzy. Moin Sunny. Sunny, heute wird es auf Englisch sein. Vielleicht fällt es dir leichter dann zu lurken. Welcome Mizzy. I hope your guys are doing good. Today, of course, English stream just now today's gonna be reversed, more English than German. Let's go. Your earring is beautiful. Thank you very much. Look at this beauty. Yeah, I actually really like it too. I bought it in Brazil and I love it. I heard from a couple of people that they don't like it, but it's like, nah, whatever. Let's go. So, today is Wednesday. They're beautiful, but not more than you. Oh. Let's go, Mizzy. Thank you very much for your kind words. I am always ready. I am ready. Let's say now I'm ready. Yes. If you want. Let's go, Mizzy. ¿Cómo estás, chico? Wednesday and your body knows it. Yes, exactly. I have to lurk too because I want to finish my website. Oh, do you want me to review the website or shall we talk about the responsive part? Moin, Fummeln. Grüße dich. Because I actually wanted to, there are some nice tricks about responsiveness, and it's for a lot of things super easy to make the website responsive. So if you want to, we can take a look at it together. But only if you want it. Most of the things aren't that hard, Dos. It's like I said, like it's unusual nowadays to code the websites like without the responsive stuff, because most of the responsive stuff is actually pretty easy. It's not that hard. Responsiveness is no dark magic or magic, kind of positive magic, let's say like that. It's not that hard. Like you don't need days for that. You just need to just some small things. Don't you think? Let's go, Dos. Let's start with your website. Please send the link. Like, yeah, I would look through the website and then we can just take a look at how I would make it responsive. Ooh, Chan, let's go. Spotify is. Let's go, Florinenza. Welcome to the stream. By God, Dos. By God. Yes. Now. Send me the link. No, just send it in the chat or wait. Where? Discord? Okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so I hope you're ready. You have some links. So, I mean, the links are too big. I bet you know. And das ist the Shiggy Gangs. Also, das hier sind nicht so. Also, ich bin hier gerade auf Firefox. So, now I'm using Zen browser. I don't know. Have you tested this website with? Huh. Only Chrome. What are you coding there? Aha. Okay. Yeah, this must be some Flexbox issue. Yes, we are gonna roast DOS website. Even though he is my mod and I really like him, doesn't matter. We need to roast the website. And hi, Pirizet. How are you doing? And Reke, welcome. Pirizet, I think I forgot to say you hello, right? Welcome, Reke und Pirizet. Okay, so. Yeah, okay. DOS, the first thing, this is too much, you know? Like I go with the, it's moving too much. Like watch us, blah, 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 blah. You know, look at this. It's like, it makes me crazy. Just make it clean. I don't think you need to join us, watch us, follow us. And like, to be very honest, nobody needs Twitter anymore. Is anybody following you on Twitter? I don't think so. Like, fuck Twitter. This is just like one small opinion of mine. Whatever, it's your website. I would say fuck Twitter. So, whole league bubble is on Twitter. I know you're right, but do they follow you? Yeah, you're actually right. I remember those. You're right. Yeah, they are actually the whole bubble is on Twitter. But maybe you can be the first joining Blue Sky or whatever. But yes, this is moving too much. It's like, I know what you're trying to do, but it's not working. So on here, we have the padding issue on join us. Like the padding right should be the same padding as the padding left. Okay? So on here, we have a lot of space not making a lot of sense. And why do I have the buttons here and here again? Like, why would you double the buttons? Just keep it on the header and it's fine. Okay, we don't need these buttons here. So if we remove these buttons, then the website is going, the elements are going to be a little bit thin. So not a lot of content there. We need to change this, but one after another. So bye. So what's happening here? It's already working. No, it's not perfect. Yeah, of course, but so I don't know. I don't like more spacing, DOS. More spacing everywhere. More spacing. Let's see here. We're gonna go with a padding. More padding, more spacing. Same goes for every single box. Every single box needs more spacing. Oh, that's the wrong one. Position relative top. So a little bit of your CSS is not making sense, but this is fine. I don't like, yeah, maybe. Do you see this? Like, there's a lot of things that I can. Why? I don't know. This app router, whatever, I'm deactivating a lot of the elements here. Nothing is happening. Maybe it's too much CSS. I don't think you need the CSS here. It's not doing anything. You see this? It's not doing anything. You don't. So we want to have less code. So the app roster, I don't know, to CSS that it's not working, or it's double CSS. Okay, this looks better. Height, max content, I don't know. You don't need height. You don't need height at all if the elements are going to be just so like per default, every element it's just going to be has the height that is depending on the content, so you don't need to give them the height. So what about this here? What about this gap? We don't need this. Yeah, gap is later. Okay. Which version do most viewers use, mobile or desktop? If a mobile user taps a social media button and it then moves, it's the user still on the link. Ah, yeah, that's a good one. Actually, that's very good advice, Sunny. So those, I'm not sure if the people, I think if it's about gaming, people are probably more going to go to access the site probably via smartphone. So probably it's even better to focus on mobile first approach, like to make a good mobile website, which is obviously gonna be different. Okay, whatever. So you have your roster here. I don't know, maybe make it bigger. Yeah, let's make it bigger. It's too small. Let's go with, there's no flex here. What's going on with the width? Ah, this is better. Make it big. It's a roster. Make it big. And more padding, of course. More padding. Everywhere, more padding. Let's go with the player cards. Let's width. I don't know. You don't need a width if it's the flex box. You don't need. So if this is a flex box, you don't need width. It's going to have the same. It's going to automatically put on the right width. So you don't need to put in a width, but you need definitely some more padding. Just make it bigger, more. Yeah, okay, this, so you did something to the player images. Height 30%, fit content. Let's fix Yeah, width 70%, fuck the width. What the fuck? Ah, you haven't, okay, okay. So this is a basic rule for most of the websites. You wanna have a CSS max width as a basic rule everywhere. You can go border radius 100%. So you don't, I wouldn't put a width and height on the images. Just make them get the space that they can. But you will need the max width 100%. So, and then we can go with margin. So here, the same thing, play a card, play an image. You don't need a height or you don't need a width. Just let them take the space. Let's go here with margin. Bottom one like this. And maybe also some margin in here. Position, yeah. So now it's looking better. I don't know. I think this is kind of your main feature here for the roster. So I think, and even to let them take the space, maybe this is too big. It's fine. It could be a little bit smaller, of course, but this is like one of the main things. But actually, you could. Let's put more padding in here. And you can adjust the padding for smaller sizes. And you can make it bigger on the bigger screen and smaller on a smaller screen, of course. Looks not bad. I don't know. So you have here the partners and sponsors. So I would make, I have an idea, Dos. I have a very good idea. What about, how is it called? Bento grid. I think this would be a very good thing for your website because it's a nice way to display different boxes. So this is for you. I think this could look pretty good for your website. And what I mean by bento grid is you have different boxes that kind of make a cool looking grid, you know? You have a bigger one, a smaller one. Hey Mario, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? You know what I mean? You have like a bigger one, a smaller one, and you can make different things. And I think the bento grid would look amazing on your website. This is another good looking one. You know what I mean by bento grid? I think the Shigi Gang could have different boxes with different kinds of information, and I think it will look pretty cool. This is a good idea, just an idea, you know? So it's not about the responsiveness or whatever, but an idea on how you could place the content on your website. So you have here the roster, you have the partner, the sponsor, and everything is so small though. So this is, I mean, you already watched some of my website reviews. This is one thing I will always say, you need more spacing. Everything is so small. Don't make it so small, make it bigger. What about the padding here? And make it just a little bit bigger so I can properly read it. And here the same thing, you can put the sponsor and the partners. What about, let's see, width. What the fuck? Why is the CSS always doubled here? You're using way too many width elements, too many width things. But this is another topic. So let's go. What I want to. Yeah, here's the padding, more padding. And please try to work with rem and not pixel. Hey XRL, welcome to the stream. How's it going? Please stop using pixels. Only use rem for your responsiveness. It will make everything easier for you. Here's the same. But I want to let's try it here. Flex basis 50%. Why is it not working? This is weird. My websites are only 4K optimized, so I use pixels. Of course. So what's happening with the flex thing here? Ah, there you go. Okay. So now it's more what I'm talking about, you know? So use the space. There was a lot of empty space. So compared to this one, you have a lot of empty space, not using it. So why make this box so big when you're not using the space? Use the space, make more padding, more spacing. Wait. Oh, wait. No. Yeah. So this is what I'm talking about. Use the space, make it bigger. Also, the headline, the spacing from the headlines to the elements, more spacing, give them a margin bottom. Everywhere, more spacing. What happened? What just happened? I changed the site. Okay, the style is fucked. Whatever. Same goes for the roster. You have the starting lineup, then you have substitutes and stuff. Like make a nice bento grid. More spacing. More spacing. So same goes for the schedule. Make I don't know. Fill the space. You can have like next match, maybe next match on the top and the following on the bottom, on the top of each other. So like, yeah, so here we're going to make a column. So one after the other. We don't need top left position. Yeah, so don't work too much with this position thing, because most of the time it's actually not needed. With height, yeah, let's go. Now we're talking. Look at this beauty. Then we go to the other one. Let's also stop with the position stuff. Look at this. Now we're taking the space. What about the height? So there's a fixed height. You never want a fixed height. Never, ever. The height must be always matching the content of the website. Always. There's the, I don't know where it's always double. But we can do some nice padding here. So now we're talking. We have the next match, it's big, prominent, and then you have like some, not exactly like this, but similar, you know? Similar. More spacing. This, I can't read this. What is this text here? I can't read it. It's too small. Don't make me zoom into the page. Make so I can read it. Make it bigger. Make more spacing, bigger stuff, whatever. Yeah, fortunately. Okay. So this is the next match. Is like, bam, make it bigger. And thus there's one thing. There's one thing. I don't like the font at all. This is hard. This is the hardest critique that I have on you right now. I hate this font. This looks like kindergarten. And you are an esports team. You're not kindergarten. Stop using a child's font. Yes, I mean it. Stop using a child's font. Make it yeah, it is rude. It is rude. I know this is the hardest critique that I have right now. Like, I think the website and everything is looking fine. But the font here, this font, it's like, it's my opinion, of course. I can't stand it because it looks like Comic Sans. It looks just fucking similar to Comic Sans, and it's just like, it's not a good font. I think the website will look way better with a proper font, let's say it like that. But this is actually the hardest thing that I have to say to you. Everything else we can discuss and it's fine. On fire, yeah. I'm burning DOS right now. I'm roasting DOS. No, this is what I mean. So the website, the colors, whatever, we can discuss this. I think there's no problem, and you can make there's a good potential. DOS. I can't say like really bad things about the website. Of course, some small design things and whatever, but it's not important. But the one thing that I would like, the biggest critique is really the font. Oh, look at the media uploading some Twitch clips here. Oh, I like this one. You know what I mean, those? Everything else is fine, but the font, I'm sorry, mate. I don't like it, but it's my opinion. Oh, look at the animations here. Let's go. Umzüge mit Harald? What the fuck? Okay. Hextex Award Insurance. I think this is funny, yes. I mean, it's kind of for fun. You're doing this for fun, yes? I know this. And I understand why you picked this font. I understand it. But yeah, like I've said, I'm sorry, I don't like it. But whatever, I think this is it. So I think the bento grid would look awesome with your website. I think a bento grid would look amazing. Like, maybe you could also use more color because it's kind of a fun theme. Like, take some of the League of Legends colors. Just an idea. But I think bento grid would look pretty sick on your website, like for nearly all the page, because you are already working with the boxes. And I think this is a cool one. You are already working with the boxes. So this is a good one. You can just, yeah, I don't know. Like here, you can keep it like that. The tournaments, the recent games, the schedule. You have the next match. Make it maybe bigger. But yes, this is. I think this is what I have to say. Is by any chance International Comic Sans Day, and normally we use another font? I'm not sure about that. Viewers can be rude. In the worst case, they simply leave without any feedback and never come back. Propz is therefore polite. Yeah, maybe. No, I think there's no problem with the website. Like, of course, don't make it the fixed height. There's some small CSS issues that you need to work on, but it's like, this is fine. There's no problem. Everything you can work on the website, make some things bigger, make a nice bento grid, and it will look nice. But yeah, so there's the one thing, the font, and this is the one thing that I don't like, but it's only this. Okay, das, let's go. Auf geht's, schicke Gang, Alter. GG und so. Let's go. Next week, the split start. Tomorrow we'll get into the groups. Oh, nice. Good to know. Yeah, it was so sad, Dos, that you didn't make the higher division, but yeah, next time. Okay, guys, today we're going to work on where we left off yesterday. And Peretzet, the one thing I can already say to you is that the styles are already working in dev mode. So it is working. I managed to make it happen. So it's just some small adjustments and you'll be able to style your very own chat bubble. How about that? So let's go. Let me just start. Gino. There. Let's go. So, okay, so let me show you. Let me see. Let me just try one of these things here. Make it chat user. Wait. Background red. No, chat user. What the fuck is happening? They are disappearing. Okay, whatever. Let's go back to where? To the Twitch dashboard. Yeah, so this stuff here is working. I am already saving the styles. I am doing better than yesterday. Heike, this is a good one. No, I'm doing good today. So yesterday was a very weird day. I don't know. It was emotionally weird. And I'm not really sure why. I don't think there's a specific reason. It was just one of those days, you know? It was kind of weird, but I think today is just fine, I guess. Okay. No, Depris are kicking those. No. Fummel and Peretzet, they love you. They love you. They don't want you they don't want to harm you. All good. Just the font does. Everything was good. Just the font, no reason. Okay, you know what, Peretzet? Wait, you can do it yourself because, yeah, the auto create users, this is on. So please feel free to, again, Peretzet, you can type in some of the code. I will copy the, wait a minute, I can copy the styles for you, the markup. Viel Spaß im Lurkriegen. I got no text box at all. How? I mean, you're in the dev page, right? How? What? Wait. Wait a minute, please. Go to the theme. Let's go to the Twitch dashboard. So let's test this one. What the fuck? How do I display the code there? It's not pre. Code is not the right one. Wait. I need to escape the shit, right? Okay, are you kidding me? How can I display HTML code on a website? Yes, but it's this is what I'm working on. Pre-encode. Let's try it. Yeah, okay. Really? Pre-encode? Yeah. I want to display like the fuck you. I want to display the markup and also make real-time changes. I think this would be a good one with JavaScript, you know, so you can see how the thing is going to look like. Okay, this sucks. How can I just fuck off? Like for real, how can I? What am I missing? How can I display HTML code? How to display HTML code on an HTML website? Do I need to actually? Yeah. Okay. Fuck. Okay. Wow. Yeah. No. You need to replace the characters. You need to. How is it called? Encoded, recoded, whatever. Really? That's dumb. It's not live for me. We are still developing it. It's not live. Maybe. Okay. You know what? This could actually work inside a text area. But it's okay. I just want to display this fucking code. Dude. Yeah, okay. I can style it, whatever. This is not working. Why isn't it working? Oh, now it's working. No, it doesn't work, but it's that. So if you want to display HTML, you need to escape this, which would be easy with HTML, whatever. I just wanted to show the basic HTML here. Hey Axel, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay, so show me again, Pritzet. You're not seeing the box. Are you sure? Hallo? Ach komm, meine Fresse. Oder hast du das schon gelöscht? Hallo? Du, Digga, meine Fresse. Du siehst es allerdings trotzdem nicht. Okay, Pritzet, Cache. This must be a cache issue. Try to hard reload the website. Maybe you already did, yes. Okay, whatever. Let's want to make this better. No, not the Twitch API. It's not important. The page itself. The Twitch API is not important. So reload the page itself. But yeah, I don't know. You did it. I don't know. I already turned off. I don't know. I have no solution right now. I'm going to keep on working. Wait. So I want to display the markup. There's no access level to it. There is no access level. It's just a hook, and maybe the hook is missing, but it doesn't make sense because the hook is there, so it's working. But there is no call for any access permission level. It just should render, but I don't think so. Themen, you're also inside of the website. Is it also not working for you? So, but why isn't it working? Because of this. I know why. No, wait. I know why. You need to be a WordPress user, but you are a WordPress user right now. Wait. No, you're not. Pritzet, please log out and log in again. And then it will work, because it only works for WordPress users, because I need to save the information to WordPress user. And so Themen is already here. And I think it should work for him. Raube mir jeden Verstand. Yeah, it's not working. I need to delete you. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, it's because of the WordPress. Now you can log in again, Pritzet. Now it will work. Delete him? No, he's deleted. It's over for Pritzet. It's over. Now it's going to work. Yay! Okay, please just type in some. Themen, I don't know. Are you able to write some CSS? Also, go and write some CSS, and we're going to test this on the dev page. Okay. Only CSS. Only CSS. So I still, okay, we need to do different things here. So the first one, I need to reload the code. So what do I do first? Let's go. Ah, yeah, I need to restart the bot. Yeah, I don't have a reload function right now. So everything is manually here, but we just want to see it work, right? So, stop it. Oh, wie oft PHP-Storm sich aufhängt. Ohne Scheiß. Meistens, wenn ich zwischen Fenster hin und her wechsle, dann hängt sich die Scheiße auf. Junge, das nervt. Das hängt sich einfach auf. Das freest. Okay. Test. Mine is not working. I know why. Fuck it. Okay, ich muss einmal mich mal entspannen. Ich muss mich jetzt einmal ganz doll entspannen. Es muss alles lokal laufen. Fuck my. Because of course it's all on dev mode. Ja, ich weiß. Ich wuser mich jetzt. Because it's all on dev mode, I can only run it completely locally. Also, the connection to the bot needs to be locally. Okay. Let's go. Again, test. Now he's not getting the connection. Okay. Lecco mio. Yeah, it is cars, but it's nothing to do with what we want to do right here. What the fuck is happening? Fuck you. I know what is happening. Ich bin einfach nicht entspannt. Ich kann mich nicht entspannen. Ich bin die ganze Zeit so aggro. Mancher Pigeon, du Tierquäler. Okay. So, Yeah, I definitely need a round in the gym. Toby, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Okay, so why this actually should be working by now. No, it's not. I know why. I know why. It's the thing is, where I am so annoyed is that I forget just so many things, but I'm talking the small things. Like I have I have the code in front of me. I have the bigger picture in front of me, but I forget all the small things. All this little bitchy fucking coding things that needs to be done, just the small ones. And it's like every time, like yesterday I did the same thing with another piece of code, and I just copied this thing from the wrong line. It was one line below, and it's like, look a little bit closer and you will get the right line, and we won't have to test it again, because then I wonder why there's still an error because I did the right thing. No, I didn't do the right thing. I copied the wrong line. And then I get fucking angry and want to punch pigeons. No, I don't want to punch pigeons. I actually want to punch pigeons. Okay. So the thing missing is in the front end. Chat message. There you go. Let's just vibe to the music a little bit. Ah. Okay, now we can code. I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. Hey Banks, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Bone, also welcome to the stream. Now it could work. Still not working. I know why. The small things, always the fucking small things. Always the small things. Now, go. Yes! Oh, meine Fresse. Endlich frisst die Scheiße. Go. Yes! Look at this beauty, Pirizet. Why can't I scroll in? Looks sick. Looks sick. So, what do you guys think? Some code changes. I'm doing good now. I have like a small breakthrough. Yeah, I mean, of course, it would be good for you to see how my CSS is actually working, right? So this is the reason why. So what do you change there? Oh, what the heck? I think there's too much CSS on it. Look at this fucking CSS, bro. What the heck? This is more CSS than the default styles. What the heck? But it works. It works. So, he paid for the classes, he's going to use them. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. It looks pretty sick. Actually. I like it. I like it. Oh, is he actually doubling putting more than one song on the? Oh yes, he is actually putting the songs double in the queue. What the fuck? Dazu soll ich tanzen? What the heck? Okay. Let's turn it down because it is working. Yes. Okay, this is amazing. It is working. This is working. This is amazing. I am so happy right now. This is just freaking working. It is. I don't know if any other streamer in the world has message bubbles designed by their users. This is actually something that is pretty cool, and I'm really proud of it. Yeah, I want to ship it. Yes. I want to ship it. Chill. Ship it and sell it. I actually could sell this one. I mean, I need, of course, to make it a little bit better. It works, Reke. It works. You can design your own chat bubbles. Got a song. You know what, Pititset? I'm gonna sell it as a DLC to the main plugin. Like the main plugin has the basic things, but I also have ideas about controlling WooCommerce, the web shop. For maybe you get some automatically adjusted coupons if you're logged in as a subscriber, stuff like that. And I can also say there is a Twitch chat plugin where you can. Yeah, I mean, I need to do it with React, of course, and I actually need of wait. But there must. but it's a little more complex, I guess, because here the bot is running and sending the messages. But there's some, I think there's a JavaScript library where I can directly connect to the chat. And I think I can directly access the user ID, which will be on the WordPress backend. So I can use the exact same logic to display the chat with React. But yeah, let's focus right now. But I think it could be a nice idea, yes. But you know what? But it's that my main problem is it's not really building the products. My main problem is selling them because I am just focusing on building and not on marketing. This is one of the things. I actually want to do some marketing for this WordPress plugin. I actually need to sell some stuff, not just build it, because if it's just on my website, nobody's gonna know about it. I need to market them. But yeah, but look at the JavaScript. This is super, like, just a simple API call, map to a map, and just pass it to every single chat message if there is one. And on chat message, I just check if the user is a sub, and if we have styles, then display the styles. It's like pretty easy. And the same thing goes for the WordPress backend. I was actually pretty advanced, like was going pretty well yesterday. I have, as always, some small things that weren't working. When you go to the backend and you take a look at the actual logic behind what I need to do to make it work. I mean, after all the actual Twitch dashboard coding, which was of course more complex, but now that it's kind of done, this is just a simple shortcode with a form. And if you send the form, I just put it inside a user meta. I update the user meta, and then it's just done. I can read it. And for the API, it's just this function here. I get all the users. And from the users, I get the specified user meta. I actually don't know if I need this one. I actually don't think I need this one. Yeah, I just get all the users, put it inside of an array and return it. And this is the only thing that I need to do to make it available in the WordPress API. So it's actually pretty easy. So the one thing that I want to look at. Okay, let's make if current user can var dump user. I think I already have the information needed. Oh, wait. This is dumb because I need to call the function. Oh, there you go. Where is the stuff? No, I don't have the information. Okay, whatever. Then it's actually already working fine. It's always the same. In the last time it was always the same playlist. Heck, that's the reason. And Fox, welcome to the stream. Let's go. Okay, so now we can make actually a better backend. Okay, now I know what I want to work on. Fancy earrings, thank you very much. So I want to work on the backend. I want to make this look better, and I want to put on the chat right at the side. Okay. Okay, wait. Yep. I'm not sure if I want to listen to all the music, but can give it a try. VP block columns. Okay, let's go. Chat message wrapper. Code preview, gonna make it rows should be 4. Calls, I'm not sure. Either way I need to style it. I'm not sure if I like it. It sounds a little bit stressful for me. Austesten ist okay, Bohne. Testen ist immer okay. Okay, I actually saw Lord of the Weed a lot of times, Bohne. Div class message preview. Message styles. Okay. Yeah, just need to take a look at how it's looking right now. Yeah, I need to restyle this one. It's fine. Yeah, definitely Endboss music. Definitely. Mein Onkel Bilbo auf der Feier von seinem Mädel erzählt. Ach so. I see. Als ob ich als ob ich die Musik auswendig kenne. Okay, so. Original. I need to style the message first. Maybe just copy it from the other project. Chat message. Only this one here. Not right now, Boomkuncha. Still thinking about it. Major Who, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Keep the church in the village, Boomkuncha. I always like to say it like that. Keep the church in the village. Okay, another, he just hanging again. It just freezes. Why the fuck is PHP Storm freezing every couple of minutes? Codemon? Really? You can be so kind and give me a link about the documentation on how to use it. Then I will kindly do it. Happily do it. Still frozen. It just freezes. The fuck? I need to escalate this with PHP Storm. Like, that this doesn't make any sense that the editor is just freezing. I'm still I don't know. I think I just can't relax right now, Major Who. I'm very, I don't know. Sehr aggro. Aber mir geht's besser. Bin aber sehr aggro. Und dann friest mir, guck mal. I just want to do my work. I just want to have some progress. I just want to work on it. And then the fucking IDE keeps freezing. It's a multi-billion-dollar company, and the fucking IDE keeps freezing for no reason. So why? What should I do? It's just, it's froze. Like, for real, come on. I mean, OBS Studio is using 160% of my CPU, of one of them, or whatever. But why is actually PHP Storm using so much. Oh, now it's resumed working, and then something happened here. Now I can verdammte Ihr wisst gar nicht, wie viel mehr ich eigentlich fluchen würde. Ich fluche hier wirklich wenig, das könnt ihr mir glauben. Wirklich, das macht mich so aggro. Ich will das einfach ich will doch nur ein bisschen coden. Wisst ihr, was ich meine? Ich will einfach nur ein bisschen coden. Isn't Kotlin just Java? Isn't it the same thing, but different, or is it is it something? Isn't it just based on Java? What's the difference? Kotlin uses it. Okay. Same but different. Yeah, I guess so. Thing's not running. I need to copy some values here. So font family, color primary, 1F, 1F2, 3. This is right. Font family chat is VCR OSD mono. VCR OSD mono. Color primary is this one. What about the other ones? We have font family headline, Themen Web. And the color primary is already there. Color is AAA, whatever. And color secondary is 3773E. Maybe even go with message preview. This is not something that people should change. Break word the same, background is fine. What about line height, font weight, color? This is the default color. This could be changed. I'm not sure if I would like people to change the font family. I think that, or I don't know. No font family. The animation could be changed, I guess. Background is also fine. Transform. Yeah, so this is the thing that it said. I'm not going to allow any external things whatsoever. So no images, no external fonts, because of security reasons, of course. So I also need to make those checks, when someone is saving something, if there's some kind of source. But I would allow to use base 64, but no loading, not loading different external sources. Hey, Chris Neovim, welcome to the stream and to the chat. How are you doing? Comic Sans needs to be allowed. Not on my stream, Mario. Not on my stream. Not on my watch. Okay. Wait. Yeah, wait. So let's see if this is working. It is not. Because of the opacity, of course. I think I will leave this for your creativity. Let's put out the animation and the opacity. What about the translate? Why? This is also about the animation, I'm pretty sure. So then the only thing this is not working is all the paddings. So we have, there's the radius. I forgot it. So we have some padding. Oh no, this is the wrong padding. I'm talking about this one. But the padding is there, right? No, here's the padding. Display block, border, top light. So this is the one. Chat user. Chat user. Position padding. This is the chat message. Yeah, this looks more like what I'm looking for, but the border radius isn't working. It's inheriting it. Inheriting from where? From browser, which will be this is actually the border stuff on the border radius. I forgot about it. Border radius, border size, color dark. I need to copy both of them. All of them. This is for the chat message wrapper. What about the color dark? Border size is 0.2 rem. 0.2 rem. Color dark. Border radius is 1 rem. Color dark will be the same as color primary. Border radius, box shadow. This should work right now. So let's see. Now this is looking good. This is the original. This is the original design. And so now, so this is the original stuff, but when people overwrite the okay, whatever. Thinking too much. This is right. Let's go. Why isn't this working? Because I'm not using the I need to make a break. Hey! Why is the thing not working? Fuck my life. Motherfucker. So I'm very sorry. Zibik, again, welcome to the stream. Thank you very much for your follow. Just one thing that I want to show you. Now he's printing. Thank you very much. So, Zibik, what I want to show you is your proof. Thank you very much for your follow. Thank you for the support and welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing good. Let's go. Guys, I need to make a break right now. And I'm sorry, but everything makes me so angry, especially when just simple things aren't working. But you know what? I have a good flow right now with the project, and I'm just going to finish it soon and let's ship it so you can actually do something with the code and actually restyle your chat bubbles. Thank you. Thanks everybody for spending some time with me, for watching the stream. I hope you're doing good. I will be back in a couple of minutes and then we're going to continue. Thank you very much. And yeah. Okay. I need to calm down. I need to relax. Barnabas, welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing good. Barnabas, my first official customer. Let's go. Made me really happy, Barnabas, that you bought the course. Amazing. Just a good feeling. Even you're the one. But I still need to make some mega. I still need to start with the marketing and stuff. Hey, Draconia. Also, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I just need to calm down now. I need to relax. I'm just way too aggro. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to focus completely now on the backend for the WordPress page. So then we can have a preview for the chat. I think it could be smart to put all the CSS inside of the original text area, so you know what you can work with, right? Would probably be a good idea, but let's style some things first. Let's go to the backend. So text area, we need more. Maybe we can just skip the rows. No, the rows are actually, I think I need the rows. But let's go with auto. No, width is actually needs to be 100%. This is fine. Overflow, none. It doesn't work. Okay. What about padding 0? Let's make it more rows. I don't know why, but it's fine. 6 maybe. What about 5? 5, it's good enough. There is actually some. I know why. This is because of this one. Okay. Let's edit this as HTML. This is good. Let's go. Yeah, this is better. Now we can make 4 rows. Now we can go with some padding. I'm not sure if. Yeah, this is actually perfect. Let's go with 2rem. Maybe we keep. I know why. How can I deactivate? Let's make it disabled. So I can, yeah, this is what I want. I need it to be disabled. And the next one, let's make a background, with color, preset, color, tertiary, no, it's too dark. Just a simple gray. You make buffers overflow with data. I make your mom overflow with pleasure. Okay, fair enough. I'm not sure if you want to make my mom overflow with pleasure, but it's up to you, right? La la la. One small adjustment. Let's go back to the pages. We have the Twitch command page. I know what I want to do. No, I can go back. Go back. Then we go to the dashboard, we copy it. Have fun in the lurking. Have fun lurking, Fox. Let's copy this whole part. Let's delete the dashboard. Your mom is generic. To not be hyper disrespectful. What the fuck is she talking about? So now I can insert. This is exactly what I want. The dashboard is also fine. I just need to change the title here, which will be dashboard. Let's save it. And also before I change it, I need to update the Twitch command for that one. It's going to be Twitch dashboard. Maybe also not just help and commands, but also dashboard. Boah. Who is adding the songs here? It's Bone. I also don't know. Hey, Tikamonsa, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? It's a little bit... I mean, you can try out the different songs, but I want to skip this. Okay. User mom as a placeholder in my joke to not be hyper disrespectful. I could have said something else, but we don't want to overstep. Good morning, handsome sir with the cute piercings. Thank you very much. Look at that. Okay, so this is actually a good style. I need to copy the style sheets. I'm going to make them inline styles. It's just padding and background. Padding to RAM and background DDD. Okay, let's go back. So this is disabled and style is going to be background DDD. Oh, Jobe! Okay, let's go. Jobe, willkommen. Thank you very much for the raid and welcome to the stream. Jobe, du warst ein deutscher Streamer, ne? Du hast mich letztens schon... Ja, Jobe, ich erinnere mich, du hast mich vor ein paar Tagen geradet und ich bin gerade in die Pause gegangen. Danke für den letzten Raid, danke für diesen Raid. Schön, dass du da bist. Wie war dein Stream? Erzähl gerne. Heute nur zur Info, also ich mache immer mittwochs einen Englisch-Stream, also die Hauptsprache ist dann Englisch. Nur, dass du Bescheid weißt, aber grundsätzlich danke noch, vielen Dank für den Raid. Wie war dein Stream? Erzähl gerne. Und schön, dass du da bist. Ja, ich erinnere mich, ich kam aus der Pause wieder und dazu, nein, Jobe ist weg. Wie ist die Lage? I realized after typing my reasoning out that it's autistic as fuck and probably only makes sense in my head. Probably. It's British stream today in it. I wish I could would master the British slang because I actually love it. I think it sounds really nice. I also love how the Scottish people are talking, and it's, I don't know. I'm normally streaming in German, but also in English if needed. Ah, okay, nice. So how was your stream? What are you building? What kind of game? So I am building. I am building an implementation where users can style their own chat bubble. So if you see the chat bubble popping up, I'm now doing the work for the viewers, especially subs, to be able to style their chat bubbles. So it's kind of a nice feature, and I never saw it anywhere else. And this is what we're doing now. Padding. And the next one would be a margin bottom. Let's make it to RAM. Now we're talking. Now it's, of course, this could be a problem. Okay. I'm kind of feeling it. Let's make a gap. So now we need more spacing up in here. We need more rows. What about 6? Okay. Check. Stream was fine. I was working on my asset system to load textures from a sprite atlas. I use Kotlin language and a very fine Quartz game engine, which I am also maintaining. I'm building a 2D jump and run with pixel art graphics. Oh, nice. Would you like to share a link? Can we see something somewhere? Never heard about Quartz actually, but we been talking about Kotlin some minutes ago. And Kotlin is actually developed by JetBrains, right? You added the odds to the images on your Twitch channels. You told me, I did it. It took me some days, but yes, I did it last week. I added all the, like, actually it's the same text that is inside of the images are now also in the alt tag. Just go to Quartz to read about it. Let's take a look at this. Quartz.org. Oh, dot and not comma. Tickle Monster, do you have some kind of visual disability? Would I call it disability or impairity or whatever? Korg. Okay, it's Korg. Because of Kotlin, I guess. Impairment. Thank you very much, Bone. Impairment is whatever. Thank you very much. I also care about Ally, but I was just wondering. But I think it's very important for all developers to care about Ally. I really think. Okay, so it's a modern multi-platform game engine for Kotlin, but this actually looks pretty good here. Oh, you can play it in the browser. This is nice. Or actually not in the browser, but in the as an app, right? Actually like this game already. I think it's fun. This is cool. I mean, you can build it with, of course, with other, but I really like this concept right here. Nice. Ah, interesting. Haha, wow. Nice. This is dope. Ooh, I like the animation here for the website. And we have also some showcases. Let me see. What about Puff? Or this one. Wait. It's his game. Okay. Asteroids. Can I run this inside of the browser? I just, Yoba, let me just give you some feedback. I just think this, Okay. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good job. I just think that this upper section here could be a little bit more, I don't know, it's too much things at the side of each other. So, but I still think it's pretty nice. Good job. Nice. Yeah, me neither, Tickle Monster, me neither. But I just know that Kotlin is an own programming language, that it runs with Java, and I know another streamer that uses it for his apps. Okay. So this is kind of already kind of fine. Let's go with this text area, do the same. Okay. Currently learning Golang for work. Ah, okay, nice. Coder used Kotlin for Advent to Code last year. Ah, Advent of Code. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I need to do the Advent of Code this year too. I didn't do it last year because I was very busy planning on my Brazil trip, but I would like to go and also participate. Okay, now we need some JavaScript. Let's go with script. We have some jQuery active. Let's try to, yes, on input function. No, we don't need on input, we need on change. When this changes, we want to go and message styles HTML this vol actually. But okay, the autocomplete here is kind of insane right now. It just did actually all the things that I want to do. Is this already working? Ah, okay, this is an old song. I need to run, get something to eat for my kids on the table. They will arrive soon from school. Have a great stream. Yobo, thank you very much again for the raid. I wish you a wonderful day and, of course, guten Appetit. Schön, dass du da warst. You can join Coda's private leaderboard and fight me. Oh, Mario, this is not good. I am going to lose big time. I'm going to lose big time if there is some kind of leaderboard. Let's see if nothing's happening. This is not working. Is there some kind of error log? No. Is the script here working? We have some script. So chat styles on change. Then we get message styles. The ID is this one here. And we change the HTML with this and vol. Is this vol is the same as value, right? Are you sure that change correct is? I mean, if you type in CSS, that can be until end not shown correctly. Input. What is okay? Yeah, maybe. Difference between change and input jQuery. I mean, it's not jQuery, it's JavaScript, right? course, when the text content of an element is changed. I think the change is selection. Oh no, wait. The on change attribute can be used with input select and text error. It can be used, but any change made in the text context, and here is change plus lose focus. I think you're right. This on input. And also, I need to do this on load. Is chat styles. Whatever. Oh, this is working. Let's go. Let's go. I think I like it this way. Yeah, you know, or what do you think, Reke? I think it works. So the thing is, the basic styles are always there. So if something is wrong, like removing the W, then of course it's not working anymore. But the basic styles are always there. So you actually have to actively overwrite them. So this will never look bad. But as soon as something changes, let's freaking go. Yeah, I know. And I haven't thought about it, but now I know the original styles are always there, and I'm just overwriting them. Why is this? Isn't this working? This is weird. Soundboard. Are you able to remove the important from text color in the default size? So the thing is, Rike, that when a message gets rendered, I get your color from the chat. So yours will be red. So this is the color that is displaying here. So if you want to override the color and have another color than you have on your Twitch chat, then you need to go with important. But this is why I displayed it here, so it kind of makes sense to change it. You know what? Let's go. I don't like the gray background here. Let's try with font family. Mono space. Tab size 1 rem maybe, like this. And also let's make the font size a little bit smaller, 80% maybe. Yeah. So what about the background? I was thinking we need preset, color. I'm thinking too much about this, right? Draconia, you can do this. You will be able to do this. Will the custom CSS support animations? It will. Print some hints for good results. Yes. Draconia, you can make your message box pink and sparkling, but no external images. But yes, for I think it's more expensive now, Bona, but it's still September, right? It's for $3.99 a month. You can make your message board look however you want. I mean, I don't want to see penises there, and also no vaginas, no, nothing not safe for work. You know that, Draconia. Please, you need to behave yourself. This for once, just for once. But everything else is fine. No external images, but you will be able to put in base 64 code. Let's say for Draconia it's base 69. Whatever.
Oh, motherfucker.
Ich Ferkel, Draconia ist die Ferkelin hier. Ist Ferkel eigentlich geschlechtsunabhängig? I'm the last person to include fucking porn in my thing. Very good. I'm just saying, you never know. Uwe, Ava, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay, let's go. Make it smaller. No, the thing is, I actually have to. So it's kind of like until the community is a little bit smaller, I won't have to worry about that. But I guess I need to take an eye of how people are designing their chat messages because I want to give the viewers a lot of freedom, but of course I still need to have some basic rules. You're the pervert here. I never say anything weird. You actually never said anything weird. Never. How? For rem. And the background is going to be varm present gradient beige. Yeah, but I think I agree with Heike. I need to more kind of specifications and to telling the people how they should style their. Yes, I will. Yeah, yes, exactly. A rule set on what is allowed and what is not allowed. Just add a disclaimer that violation of Twitch TOS using the custom chat box will result in timeout or permanent ban. This is actually a very good disclaimer, Bona. This is a very good disclaimer. I agree. We also need some kind of headline. Let's Let's go here. Okay. Yes, could become a problem, right, Felix? So we need to make it clear right here. Yes, I will. Schreib mir daraus schnell was auf Deutsch und verlinke auf die Twitch TOS. Give it to me in HTML. Also with styles, chill. Yeah, that's good. After the box. That's a good idea. Okay, I'm open for ideas. I'm open. I think you're right. It should be printed like here, as we know from. Yeah, let's. I need to style it either way, but as we know this from other pages, I will make it like directly below the box. I can make also a check, like a checkbox. I didn't want to make it too complicated, but it's fine, I guess. So let's remove the margin here. And let's style this little. How about this later? What is it, Bonum? Let's make it padding to rem. Font size, let's make it 80%. Font size in Inherit. Let's make it smaller. Let's make it the background. Oh, what happened here? What, did I break something? I did. What the fuck just happened here? Now I deleted it? What the heck? Shut the fuck up. Stop doing this. He's... fucking hell. Das, das geht noch, Draconia. Yes, 16K wallpaper. So there will be no external image. External image won't be allowed, but you can use a 4K thing. I mean, base 64. Ha ha ha. But of course, respect the boundaries of the system. It looks a little bit chaotic here, but it's whatever. The margins also way too much. Let's style it a little bit better. Twitch disclaimer. Background is E. Border bottom left radius going to var custom radius bottom right radius the same thing. See you later. And next is you would, yeah, yes, Draconi, you can add a ribbon to your box. You definitely could. And yes, it's going to be sick. H3 P font size is going to be var preset font size small. P last child margin 0. Something else? Bottom maybe we still need the margin bottom. Let's go with the border and make the same border width, border color dark. We don't need the color here. Make this dashed. The next point will be this looks super chaotic here, but I don't know. It's fine, I guess. So this is the border. And I think we can give them we don't need so wait. Hier, der Twitch-Nutzungsbedingung. Und oder Community-Richtlinien, sondern we don't need any H3 anymore. We don't need margin anymore. Let's just go again with the box. I know I have the classes already. What am I doing here? What about Twitch disclaimer? Shadow. Or has shadow? Not sure if it's going to work, but whatever, we can try this out. And I think I need to get something to eat shortly. Oh, there you go. This looks good. I like it. Just, yeah, the margin top is not working here. Margin bottom, I mean. Let's see if this looks good. I kind of like it. But I'm thinking about putting in a negative margin top to make it more like seem like one. I think it looks better. Yes, exactly, I can. And this is easily done with the, I have a radius class for that one. Let's try, has shadow, has radius. And let's, yes, exactly. With, good, yeah, okay, I know what you mean, yes, yes, yes. So, can I do this just margin left and right auto? Yes, I can. So top -1, left right is auto, and bot is 2. Width, I'm going to go with 95%. Was too small for. Je ballert mir hier in Techno rein. Look at this. Looks good. Bla bla bla. Und auch dokumentiere ich den. Maybe the saving button must to the right side. Chill, Hecke. I think I could make this one smaller. But the one thing that is not working is the background color for gradient. There's one dash missing. But I have actually one last idea for the background here. Present gradient light. There's a light gradient here. You mean here? The thing is, this is a little bit chaotic. I think it's a little bit too chaotic here. It's like a lot of boxes. Okay, let's make this different. How Propz destroyed my website. Here are my 5 learnings. I didn't destroy your website. I just destroyed the font. Just the font. The rest is, I think the base is already there, DOS. You just need to make the layout a little bit different, but the thing is fine. Yes, I agree, kind of. Mein hinterlegter CSS-Code hat das Styling deiner kompletten Webseite verändert. How? I know why. I know why. Because of one thing that I forgot. I forgot to edit. I forgot to add the another layer. This will be DOS 4,000 chat messages. I'm rewriting the CSS now, and it's more fun to work in your styling advices. Thanks. Why not preview at the top below the code to modify? You mean here? No, wait. Before the code modifier. Moini. Moin, Fun Fact, Moin würde nicht gezählt werden. Deshalb Moini. Moin, 4 Buchstaben reichen nicht, um gezählt zu werden. Just say. LOL wird nicht gezählt. Aha, aha. Preview code editor save button in vertical order. I think this makes sense. I think what? Grrr. What? Grrr. The first stutter chat of definitely. They are like, oh, hey, wait, I need 5. Okay. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Nobody's going to write haha anymore. And lol or whatever. Fuck off. Message preview. This is what I want. Look at Fummeln's wonderful stylings here. That works. I mean, it's working. So this is always a win, right? If it's working. And also, Peter said, if there are emotes inside of the emotes are always removed out of the chat message. So if you put an emote and then on another char, it's also not going to count. And he's also not counting emote only chat messages. So he is just counting real real messages. Ha ha ha. Yes, exactly. Themen, do you want to check again if it's working? Now the rest of the website should be looking fine. You just need to reload the page. Okay, so Axel said he wants a preview on the top, and I think this is a good one. Let's go to the message preview and put it on the top. Green is gone. This is very good. So this is, I think this makes sense, right? So what about this part right here? Well, let's make an introduction first. Kannst du deine Chat-Nachricht selber stylen? Hier ein paar Grundregeln. Externen Dateien wie Bilder, Fonts oder ähnliches. You can fire a model to show the DOM with a button called Show Me the HTML code. This is a good idea, Heike. Thank you very much. Because I was thinking, like, this looks like shit. I don't know, too many boxes. But like preview, show the DOM, show how the message. Save for work. Alles nur safe for work. Bilder sind möglich mit Inline, SVGs und Base 64. Ich schreibe da Base 69 hin. Yes, I was thinking about the accordion. I'm going to build an accordion. Sonst ein Bann. Bilder sind möglich im CSS mit Inline, SVGs und Base. Verbannen. Yeah, I need to think more about special rules, but I think it's fine for now. So everything is safe for work. No external files like images and fonts. Images are possible with with inline SVGs and base 64. Bananas. What if you work in a sex shop? Doesn't matter. We have sex shop workers here, not sex shop workers, and not. Actually, we don't know, Heike. Maybe we have sex workers here, but it doesn't like this. You're talking about safe for work, right? I know what you mean. That, CSS-Optionen sind Bilder sind möglich. Mit Inline-SVGs und Base69. CSS-Animationen sind möglich. Does it count if you don't get paid for it? I'm not sure if you're getting the business side right, Tickle Monster. Of course, Boom Kuncha. We need the base 69 there. Tickle Monster, I'm not sure, like, if you're a sex worker and you're not getting paid for it, I'm not sure if you really understand the business side of that. But this is a topic, you need to figure it out. Anything special? Forever feels like home, sitting all alone, so young. Let's go. I actually think Pretsets that this is a sellable feature. But this is actually, I actually think this is not something that, I actually think you could build a SaaS for that one. I actually think we can, it's the first time where I have a SaaS idea. I think I can build a SaaS for this one. You just can, you need to, it's a chat SaaS, but subs are able to design their own messages. Yes, I will definitely build this with Laravel. And the text error can get the same border radius from the preview message. Oh, yes, yeah, we should. Oh, hey, Rika, thank you very much for your input today. You're killing it today. Like every single message is like, yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Rika is on fucking fire. This is actually a small business case here, a small SaaS for streamers. The one, yeah. Dies und das. I really like the idea. I mean, of course, if I would like to build a SaaS out of it, I would make maybe some settings. You know, you have the message bubble, and I wouldn't. Maybe this would be the expert function to put in your CSS, but I would actually like font color and background color, border radius. I would make something that you can configure yourself. But I actually think this is a use case. Let's see how it works with. Yes, exactly. DAO compatible. Exactly. So this is something for pros. I mean, you are pros, so this is easy for you all. Bumkuncha, Alter, du. Kleiner. Kleine Pimmelbirne, ey. Du weißt ja, ich würde ja nicht reagieren, wenn es nicht wahr wäre. Schnauze. Yeah, he definitely shot the fucking bird. Ich habe schon wieder vergessen, Akkordeon. Irgendwas mit Details war das, ne? So, what's a summary detail? How is it called? Yeah, it's this one. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shot the deputy. Hope it wasn't the pigeon from the beginning. Yeah, Extra wants to kill the pigeon. Code preview. Okay, this is how will I call it? Is the code Danke. So the code is let's see if this works first try. And if it looks good first try. Nearly. Oh, good song. So what is wrong with the background color here? It's a little bit big, but I actually styled this one for the landing page. How? Oh, I need to remove the margin there. I can't. I mean, I can, but this was kind of an easy approach because you know what, Rike, you can never show HTML code inside of an HTML page. So we need to, how is it called? No, you cannot. You cannot. He will display the actual code. I try that with pre or code, it doesn't matter. If it is valid HTML code, he's actually going to display the code. It doesn't work. You need to decode the HTML. There is a PHP function for that, I guess. PHP HTML. No, it's I forgot the name. How's it called? It's HTML and no entities. No, there's a special word for what I want. I forgot it. HTML entity decode, maybe. Convert all applicable characters to HTML entities. I'm not sure if this is the right one. HTML special chars. I think this is the one that I want. Yes, I want HTML special chars. Yes. So this means this will be, so I don't know. I can show you right now. I can show you with code. And I can show you with pre. It doesn't work. Not if it's valid HTML. It just doesn't work. I show you with code. I actually just learned it today because I was also tried pre and also tried code, and I also tried both together, and it doesn't matter because it doesn't work. He will always display the HTML. He will try to render the HTML, and he will not just display the code. Here we go. This is the pre, this is the code. It doesn't work. You need to decode the HTML special chars. This is the reason why I put it inside of a text area, because there it's just text and nothing more. Line 137. Yeah, Toby. Yeah. So someone wants to get banned from the stream, right? Yeah, but this is fine. This is done. Let me see again. Day was a good day. Yeah, we have some trouble with the summary and the border radius. So the border radius should be inherit. It's not working. Why? Has radius what? And how do I change this? You know what? Yeah, I wanted to put back the text area here. We don't need, I don't think we need this anymore. But we need the special chars. And see, this should work right away. This should work right away. How do I make this close. HTML details default close. Which can be one of those two states. The default close state displays only the triangle and the label inside. Ah, there is open. Okay, I know why it was open. Okay, now it's fine. He does not work with the tabs. Then fuck it. Let's go disabled. We don't want any stylings for this one. Actually, we want background is fine. We don't want any padding. Font size is also good for this one. Font family, monospace, tab size. Anything else? The border and the box shadow. Box shadow, none. Yeah, this is what I was hoping for. But this is also way too big. We want less padding. This is better. Code preview, we don't need a name actually for this one, whatever. Let's go with class, has radius. And style. Oh, wait, I can style with all the has padding. What kind of padding do I'm looking for here? I think we can go with also with a class has the preset has spacing normal. Right, let's try it with a class. Has radius, has spacing normal. I'm not sure what how to call the spacing. Let's see on the back end. I'm actually not sure why the both of them here are not working. Oh, I know how. Let's see here. No, wrong. How about the singt er the little faggot? What the fuck? Ah, the padding is in line. There's no class for this. Okay. Wait, where is this div? Oh, this is the wrong div. It's a one too much. We have the script, we have the form, we have the preview, the code preview. We have the message preview. I think I will place the message preview actually right before. I think it's better to have the code preview even up the fields. So let's go with this one. Summary, there's going to be style, padding to rem, and I don't like the background. I won't like to make the background the same as here. It's kind of strange. I think this is a dark gradient. Yeah, it is gradient dark. What about I go with preset color dark is too dark. I want it to be the secondary. Secondary would be right. No, this is a secondary, this is tertiary. Is a different color. What? What kind of color is this here? Where does it come from? Shouldn't this be the tertiary? Whatever, I'm going to take the same color. Background. So how about this one? What is wrong with the border radius there? Ah, the summary needs a border radius, not the details. And of course we need a margin bottom here. Wrong elements, of course. I mean, I started writing CSS in here. Maybe it's better to keep it. I mean, it doesn't matter. Let's call it ID code preview. All the styles I will put on top. I think this is way better for the overview. So on the code preview, we have the summary here. What else? Rows, radius. So this is on the top right now. Where are the inline styles here? No inline styles for you. No inline styles for you. Yeah, so no inline styles anymore. But it's... And I still forgot margin bottom. Now, please. Can you just work? What about what happened to the background? I think this should be important. What is happening? Motherfucker. It is the right. Huh? What the heck? Digga, was ist das für ein Scheiß? Was it your song? I'm sorry, Tickle Monster. Like when I skip a song, I'm not trying to be mean. Okay, it's just like when some songs they just like what is happening? Wo ist das Problem mit IDs, Bumkuncha? Kannst du mir das erklären? Nein, kannst du nicht. Es gibt kein Problem mit IDs. But what aren't the tabs working? I forgot the tabs, text area and code preview. Ah, because he removed the tabs right here. Yes, now it's working. But why is this color not working here? How is this a different color? Now I'm kind of intrigued. Ah, this is because of the opacity. This is because of the opacity. There is an opacity here. Ah, now I get it. I just put your stream and listen to it myself, then come back. It's a strategy. Is a strategy. Okay. I think I like this, but I will need to remove the opacity from this one. The opacity is just something that is hard-coded in the back end. Where is this? Where is the code? Where is it? Where is the preview? Ah, there, the original. Let's remove the opacity. Okay. User. Die Nickfarbe kommt von Twitch. Okay, I think this is it, I guess. So, style your chat message. If you're wenn du Abonnent bist, kannst du deine Chatnachricht selber stylen. Hier ein paar Grundregeln. Safe for work, no external images. Images are possible with inline SVGs and base 69, of course. CSS animations are possible, and the nick color comes from Twitch. Yes. Then you can check the HTML code. This is the preview. I think it would be nice to have I want a bigger class has huge font size. I'm not sure if it has font size huge or has huge font size. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Has large font size. Yes, exactly. There will be a preview headline. H3 Vorschau der Nachricht. Class has medium font size. Let's see if this is looking good. Why are you fucking opening the browser right now? This is too big. This didn't work whatsoever. What happened? Thank you very much. It is done, Heike. It is done. You missed it, bro. You missed it. Already done. It is done. Resize none. I can't resize it. I'm on Zen right now. The HTML code, not the... What the heck? Why? Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. This is actually, it's actually good to resize the other one, right? You're right. You're right. Yes. Bunkuncha. Yeah, you're right, Ricky. You're right. It's fine. It's fine. Now it's done. Now it's done. Now you can be proud of me. I have one last thing. I want something special. I want this part to be a little more, to stand out a little bit more. Let's go with padding. Let's go with border radius. And let's go with a background. And a margin. This looks, I think this looks better. Yeah, this looks better. Message, this is message preview, right? Let's make it an ID because Bumkuncha loves IDs. Is message preview somewhere? I don't think it's needed anywhere else. Let's go again. Padding to RAM. Background. EEE. Looks LLM. Oh. That's funny because I think this will be an insult in a couple of months or years, right? Oh, this looks like an LLM wrote the code. Pow. Props in the house. Yes, props in the house. Definitely. Border radius. I don't need this one. We can do this with the class. Radius. Oh, I forgot the margin, of course. Oh, what? Oh, well, the wrong code, of course. Oh, yeah, I just built in, yes, another error, of course. Now it needs to be this. Bumkuncha, Digga. Boah, triggert er mich hier? Junge, triggert er mich hier hart? Twitch styles original message preview. Now we're done. Look at this beauty. Okay, let's go. And why you use the class names with has? Can you explain me what is good for? I do not understand this typing of class names. These are WordPress class names, so that I don't need to rewrite the code. WordPress generates automatically a lot of class names based on the variables that I put inside of my theme JSON, because this is my template, right? So everything you see here, WordPress takes it and generates a lot of different class names and styles. And so if it's something that already exists, I think it would make more sense to go with the WordPress class. But I'm not following this like strictly, but you know, like same here, has large font size, whatever. So your surname should be Fox. We already have a Fox here, Super Fox inside of in the stream. The submit button in the form broke. You're kidding me. Did. Why? Oh, jeez. What happened? What happened to... Everything all right with the... Oh, this doesn't matter. Why? Did I change anything here? I didn't. Huh? There's... I think there's something... I think I forgot to close some HTML here. So details, I'm closing, summary the same. This text area is closing. The P tag is closing. What about this one? Div is closing. Style. Oh, the style here is not closing. Or it is closing. It is closing. This is right. H3 div form text area div p button form. Huh? Why? What about this div here? This is the main div. What is happening? Somewhere something broke on our way, but I think it has to do with the form. See the details? We have the message preview. And then it kind of breaks. Chat message wrapper. He's not opening the... No, I think it has something to do with the markup. What? When expecting an attribute name. Message styles. Script. Style open, style close. Yeah, I know. This is super strange because it is there in the code, but it's not showing it in the developer tools. I think it has something about to do with the text area, probably. Whatever, doesn't matter. So the action should just go. I read something about the action that if there's no action, it will just send it to the same page. It was either way, it wasn't working, I think. But the form is not showing. Ah, here. Da, guck. Da. So this should be working right now. Yeah, and the post will just post to the same page. We don't need to put in an action. The default is a post to the same, the actions default to the same page. It's working. Yeah, I know. Dude, it's fucking working. Deine Chatnachricht. Yes, Reke. But only because it's you. Only because it's you. You're welcome. I'm kind of. Yeah, it's the same. It doesn't matter. Geht jetzt. It is working. I don't know what they are not working. Whatever. It's time for lunch. 3,5 Stunden. Or maybe it's time to end the stream, guys. I'm gonna be serious right now because I need to do some things after the stream. Maybe it's just time. No, we're not going to. We can test it one more time. Yes. Oh, Peretzet is wants to see his work. Peretzet wants to see his work live. Yes, we can test this. Where is the project? There is the project. We can actually, I think we can do this live. Maybe I can just fuck it and push it, the bot to live. It was working, right? We have the commands ready. We have the WebSocket things. The data is, I mean, it was working. It was working. So I don't know what happened here. Oh, this happened. I don't know what is showing here. Whatever. So the data is there. I'm checking a lot of things. There are some, I have some question marks, but I don't think they are actually relevant for now. The only thing, so he's still getting the data from my dev website, and this is right because I need to, the plugin is like probably 99% finished. I don't know. Whatever. You know what? Fuck it. Oh, just one moment. The components are the right. Yeah, this is done. The chat is also reworked. This is fine. I can remove the audio right here, I guess. So these are the components. CSS is reworked. Commands, the one is reworked. Twitch utils is working. Let's go, baby. We're going to test this live. We're going to test this live now. Let's go. Commit and push this little baby. I just want to let you know I love you. Ever let it go. No, it's fine. It's fine. I think I'm going to end the stream because I really need to work on my marketing and I need to record a video. So I'm streaming now. Yeah, I just a short stream today, kind of. But it's fine. I actually want to test it. So it's pushed. Let's go, baby. Okay. 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 Okay, we have some problems there. Ah, fuck. Wait, something is happening there. So, Fullman works. I don't know what you did. So, I must confess, I am. But it said, what did you do to your. Wait, let me see. We have. You are doing some stuff right there. I mean, I don't have any syntax highlighting. This would be a great other function, kind of. But it is working. I can give you the. So the thing is, I'm the one thing that I still need to do. So it's live, but I still need to remove the security stuff. Like if I find any sources or whatever, I will still need to remove it. You can, everybody can. So the thing is, it will only work if you are actually subbed to the stream, right? Oh, the Propz TV is also working because I saved it myself here. This is, let's make it. He's not going to reload live. I need to reload the. So this is the next point. Okay. There is no VIP bonus, not at all. But you're currently subbed, so if not, it wouldn't work. No JavaScript. You can send actual HTML here, but no JavaScript will work, Tickle Monster. You can do some nice things like. Let me try this one out. You can do some fancy stuff in here. I need to reload, of course. But it said now you can try it again. So, but is it working in the back end? But it said so. Are you seeing the real styles in your in the backend from here? I can copy this, right? Let me see. Oh, fuck you. I'm copying everything. What the fuck? Oh. So why isn't it working in the front end? Why? I mean, it's just CSS, right? I mean, I don't have any special handling of this at all right now. So whatever keyframes, it doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter, I think. Let's remove the keyframes. No. He's not liking this at all. Any errors? No errors. There's something bad about your code. I'm sorry. I don't know how to, I mean, I don't even know how to debug this one. I mean, I should format all the CSS and see if there's something special about it. Oh, this looks very good, Tickle Monster. This looks very good. Wild background, but nothing very special. You mean this one? Okay, this is a wild background. But it's also not working here, actually. Kind of. Yes, let's go. Let's do it again here. Now you're welcome. Wait. Let's go. Yeah, you're getting somewhere. Slightly works. Is there something with the background that you're trying to do? Okay, whatever, guys. I think I'm going to end the stream right now. It's nearly 4 hours, and I have some stuff to do, and I actually need to get some lunch. But offset from okay. But so this is the first step. It's still dev, but we are getting there. I need to reload. So if you recently saved the Reke again here. Do it. Reke, do it. Do it. So I still need to code a reload. So I have already a reload command, and this I need to pass it down to what have you done, Reke? It might look sick, but you jump to the top. Position fixed? No, that's bullshit. Okay, position fixed sucks. You kleiner Fuchs, du. Draconia, you're now able to design your own chatbot. I mean, it's still dev mode. Fix and absolute should be banned. Yes, it should. But can I force it to? Let's see. Yeah. Draconia, so you are also very welcome to design your own bubble. Chat bubble. Mann, kopier doch die Scheiße. Mein Gott, dauert das alles lange, ey. Meine Fresse. Yeah, looks sick. It looks sick. Yeah, you can do it. So you will see, you'll find all the important instructions in the link that I sent you. It's still dev mode, but it's kind of, it's working. Oh, my chat bubbles aren't working anymore. So there's the HTML code. You can take the class and nearly do whatever you want with it. Yeah, I need to ban position. But it's working, and I'm this preset. So this goes to preset. Oh, it's not working because he is why? Fuck me. Because I restarted the bot, I think. It was his idea. Oh, I got a raid incoming. What the heck? What happened? I just restarted my bot. Oh, no way. Wait. Why is it not working? The fucking hell.
Sechs.
DVD Gamer and all the raiders, welcome to the stream. How are you guys doing? How was the stream? Some bullshit fucking thing is happening with my setup and I don't understand why and what is happening. Whatever. Thank you very much. How was your stream? How are you doing? I am coding. I just released the dev version of the project that I'm working on, and it's working pretty nice. And I can show it to you guys. So the main thing is that all the subs on the stream are now able to style their own chat messages like this. You can log in. You can log in with your Twitch account, and he will check. Okay, do you follow me? Do you are you a subscriber? And then if you're a subscriber, I just coded a new stuff where you are able, like this is the markup of the chat bubbles, and you are able to put in your own CSS and style your very own chat message. So this is what I've been building the last weeks also. This is very fancy. Yes, I'm really excited. So I don't know, but it said he has some CSS code which is not working. I don't know why. Still need to debug some things. I also need some security features on it, like about all kind of external images and fonts and whatever, which are not allowed. Of course, it needs to be safe for work. Yeah, but it's kind of working. And I just finished it, and we just started the some of the tests. And yeah, so already this is quite kind of the preview of the message. Yeah, so Ricky, he's styling his thing here with some red and whatever, some fancy. Yeah, but it said, I'm not sure what you're doing there, but it's not working, mate. How was your stream, TBD Gamer? Yes, Ricky, there is no auto upload. So you will need, so if I'm streaming and you are working on your chat bubble, you are fucked. You need to get this straight. This is working now. One more time. Go. Wait. Let's do it in the front. Also on the front end. So I need to manually reload the front end. Stream was good. I've been trying to get my game library app up and running after a little refactoring. Yes, I remember. Your game library is the project you're working on. But is this just a web app, or are you thinking about also releasing like Android or iOS apps? But yeah, randomly pulling parts out the engine and wondering why the car won't run. Okay. Yeah, I've been building it. So I mean, it's kind of basic, but we have also some chat user background red, and we have a live preview and stuff. Web app, once I've got enough working, I'll ask if anybody is interested in a mobile app. Okay, nice. I just remember now your collection of over 2,000 or nearly 2,000 games. Insane. Yeah, so, but this is what I was working on, but I'm going to be honest with you, TBD Gamer, I'm also ending my stream, so we need to rate somebody else and keep the train going. How about Jeroen? Jeroen is doing some co-working. We can go to Anna. Let's go to Jeroen. I don't know. Some people here want to co-work maybe. What do you think? Should we rate? Oh, he's in a video call. Oh, no. I'm sorry, Jeroen. We can't rate someone who's doing a video call. Let's go to Anna today. Anna is building a very fancy markdown editor. So guys, the rate train is gonna keep going. Thanks everybody for tuning in, for watching, for spending some time with me. I wish you all a wonderful Wednesday. We're gonna see each other again, I think, on Friday. So thank you very much. Yeah, just have a nice day, I guess. Yeah, take care, guys. Have a nice day. And we're gonna see each other on Friday. Bye, bye, bye.